Imagine you're in a conversation and you didn't quite catch what was said. Instead of saying, "Can you repeat?" let's explore more engaging alternatives. You might say, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you clarify?" This shows you're interested and attentive. Or try asking, "Could you please say that again?" It's polite and keeps the conversation going smoothly. Another option is, "Would you mind repeating that?" This phrase is courteous and respectful. Consider using, "Can you go over that one more time?" It's a friendly way to ask for repetition. You could also say, "Pardon me, what was that?" This is a classic and polite way to ask for clarification. If you're feeling more casual, "What was that again?" gets the job done without sounding too formal. Try saying, "I missed that last part. Can you say it again?" This is direct yet polite. If you need more detail, "Could you elaborate on that?" invites the speaker to provide more information. For a more formal setting, "Would you mind repeating what you just said?" fits perfectly. In a classroom or meeting, "Could you repeat that for clarity?" shows you're focused and diligent. Finally, "I'm not sure I understood. Could you explain it again?" ensures you get the information you need. Using these alternatives not only improves communication, but also makes you sound more fluent and engaged. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.